Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do tutorials on fixing camera problem on Windows, the photo capture start timeout. So basically when you trying to use your camera, it didn't work, and you can see that my screen is black. Yeah, it's a black screen, and this error came out, this error code came out, which is the photo capture start timeout. So before I start this video, I assume that you guys already restart your PC, because that's the basic thing that you can do. And we'll proceed to the next one, which is checking your camera privacy settings. And you want to make sure that your camera is on, allow apps to access your camera, the feature is on, and you can scroll down. And the next one is you wanted to go to the camera app settings. Go to app settings. Okay, you can see here it's the same as the previous one. The camera is on. You want to make sure that it was on, and as you scroll down you will see the reset option over here. See, if this app isn't working, blah blah blah. Okay, so you can try to reset it. It will reset your camera. And the next basic thing is, as you can see here on my laptop, there's a camera feature over there where you can turn off and turn on your camera. So you can try that one, because sometimes people just forgot that they turn off the camera feature. We'll proceed to the next one, which is turning off the function of your antivirus, because sometimes antivirus, they kind of like blocked everything that they find suspicious. So in my case, I have Kaspersky, and I'll go to the settings, protection, and you can see over here there's a webcam protection, and I already turned it off, because in my case when it was on I can't use my camera, so this feature actually blocking my camera function. In case that you don't have antivirus, so you could check on the Windows Defender. You go to search firewall and network protection, and you'll see the allow an app through firewall. So in my laptop it was grayed out because I have my antivirus turned on, so I will, for the sake of this video, I will turn it off just to show you guys how it works. It was off now, and you can see allow an app through a firewall. Click on that, and you wanted to change settings and allow another app. So you browse and search for camera, and you can see over there there's a camera settings UI host. You click on that, add, and you want to make sure that both private and public box are tick. Is that a term? Tick. You tick the box and click OK. You can check if your problem is solved, and if not, we can proceed to another solution. You go to task device manager. Okay, you search for camera. As you can see here, I have the integrated camera. You update the driver. Sometimes your drivers are outdated, so you can check on that, like mine is updated. Or you can try to uninstall device. Okay, you try to uninstall the camera driver and make sure that this box over here is unticked. You don't want to tick on that one, and you uninstall. Then you go to action and scan for hardware. See, okay, so it's like reinstalling your driver. Yeah, like that. And you can check again if it is updated. Like you can see here, the best driver for your device are already installed, and then you close. Okay, so basically that's the solution. Or if it still doesn't work for you, you can manually download the drivers. Like for my case, I'm using Lenovo, so I will go to the Lenovo website. Okay, you can see over here, I can go to the official Lenovo website to manually download the drivers, the camera drivers over here. And you want to make sure that you go to the official website of your provider. So basically that's it. A disclaimer, I'm not an expert on this, but I'm facing the same problem a few weeks ago, and I've been like looking for tons of tutorial videos, and I didn't find anything that solved my problem. And my laptop is brand new, so it weirded me out. Like, I don't know what's wrong with it because it is brand new. It happened when I update my Windows, I guess. Yeah, then there's something wrong with the drivers, but then I just think of turning off my antivirus, because I remember that sometimes that antivirus is block everything. So when I turn it off, my camera works. So probably you guys could try that out. And I will link a couple videos that I found on YouTube that you guys could check on it. There's one video, I guess he do some other solution which is relating to command prompt and registry editor. The reason why I didn't do that tutorial, I didn't try it out, because it difficult, and it relating to something that I don't know, quite complex. And like I said, my laptop is brand new, so I don't think that it needed that kind of solution. So yeah, I will link every video that I found that helpful in my description, so you guys could check that out. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And also, if you guys have any other solutions, don't forget to comment down below, because I really appreciate it. Because when I was facing this problem, I've been looking for solution everywhere. I've been reading in Quora, I've been reading people's comments, so I really appreciate if people comment under my video. That would be so great for me. So that's all, guys, for today. Don't forget to stay tuned for another video. Bye.